What are three simple things that you think people should learn how to do in Canva?
Well, three simple things that I didn't know before, but has again changed the way I use Canva. First one is resize. So if you have a project that is either a video or an Instagram post or a different size dimensions, there is a feature at the top of Canva in resize, and you can either choose one of the many default resize or create your own dimensions either in inches or pixels, and then instead of you recreating something again, the resize feature will resize it for you. You can keep the original copy and it'll resize the new one in your desired dimensions, and ta-da, you now have a graphics for your YouTube video. But you can also take that graphics or slide and create a Pinterest post, a square quotes card. So resize is a tool that I have been using a lot. Also, I use it for my printable download. So for me, I have printable downloads in A4. I'll resize it to a letter size. I'll resize it to a Happy Planner Classic size. And it reduces my work because I don't have to reproduce it again and again. Resize is one simple thing you can use right now.
Canva has had an update to Magic Resize. It is actually tucked up underneath Magic Switch. So click on Magic Switch and your resize button is underneath Translate, Transform, Doc. So we can just click Instagram post or whatever you want to resize, browse by category, create that custom size like Marianne was talking about and everything else. You click continue. It gives you a preview of what it's going to look like. And you can either copy and resize it or just resize it in general. We're going to make a copy and you can just open it up like that. There is your resize project. Now, just a note that when you resize designs, especially if you resize it to where it's a different aspect ratio, you may need to adjust some of the things within your design, but that's just a small price to pay for not having to recreate the design over again. Back to Marianne.
Now, the second simple feature you can use on Canva is the image frames. So you can pick a circle image frame, and the great thing is you just drop whatever image you need to drop on your project or template, and ta-da, you have a circle photo. You can have an hexagon photo even. So the image, what's that called, Jennifer?
They're called frames.
There you go. Image frames in whatever shape you like. Now, if you are getting value from today's video, make sure to click that like button just down there, and that'll let us know that you are enjoying all the valuable stuff that you're learning today. And the final simple thing you can use in Canva are elements. So you can search in the elements feature any image, any videos. Can you do videos as well? Jennifer is saying yes. See how great it is that we can use these simple tools. So, like I said, the elements feature, you can search the subscribe button, the thumbs up button, the follow for more, or click this link. So whatever element that you can think of that you can up your YouTube videos, you can search it. So three things, that is resize, frames, and elements.
Those are awesome things to learn. And, you know, two of them haven't been said yet.
Really? Yeah. So those are my three simple things you can learn from Canva. To learn three more, click this video right here.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.